Hey YouTube, it's your girl Style Junkie here, and I am back after a long overdue pause. You can follow me on Instagram at my personal page is _dot_period Style Junkie, all one word. And you can follow me on my business or business Instagram at junkie JUNKIE .collab COLLAB, and junkie is spelled the same on both pages. I'm here with makeup tutorial, a little small one or whatnot. So I'm gonna just get started and shut up. Okay, so this is a back to school makeup tutorial. It's pretty easy, pretty quick. So I'm gonna start off with my Nivea cream. It's pretty thick in consistency. I warmed up in my hands and then proceed to really give my love and all attentiveness to my skin because we need the extra moisture on our skin. So I did my eyebrows off camera, but if you want to see a tutorial of my eyebrows, let me know in the comment section below. But I'm putting the F Active, the clear brow gel on them. And next I'm going to take the NYX Photo Loving Primer, and I've really been feeling this lately. It's really affordable, so I just take it, make sure I put dots around my face, and then I proceed to rub it in, get all those pores filled so we can have a smooth canvas. So now I'm taking my Maybelline Superstay foundation in the colors 360 Mocha and 362 Truffle. Mocha is going under my eyes, so pretty much the center of my face, and Truffle is going around the outside of my face. So I'm just going to put dots, and I'm going to take my Expert Face Brush by Real Techniques, and I'm just going to pat that into my skin. I don't really swipe or rub, and my brush is not wet. It is dry. We don't do wet brushes over here. So I'm just gonna pat that into my skin before somebody tries to tell me that my foundation doesn't match my skin. Continue to watch the video. You know, we got a little hyperpigmentation going on, but we taking care of it. So I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the colors Toast and Fawn. Toast, it looks exactly like the foundation, and Fawn is lighter, but I'm not going to take that much. And I'm going to take this angled brush again. Baby, it's dry, and I'm just going to pat that out. I could use the beauty blender, but I don't know, I really don't like that. So I'm just going to blend that out and travel it down my face, across the top of my mouth, so I get that even coverage. Make sure you got a compact mirror when you're doing this, because you can really see up close by your face. Like, it just makes everything much better. So I'm continue to pat, blend it out. And we're going to take the same colors and put it above my head, well, above on my forehead. And I'm going to take the Black Radiance Cream Contour Palette, and I'm going to use the darkest shade in there for the contour, obviously. And I'm going to put that on my side of my face, and I'm going to blend that out. I'm going to go down my nose with the same palette and then blend that out with a smaller brush so I can get a more precise blend. I'm going to take my highlighter in Black Radiance. This is the Artesian highlighter, and I'm just going to put that on my cheekbones, my cupid's bow, my tip of my nose, and the bridge of my nose, so we can have a popping glow. I'm going to take a bigger brush that has more of a fluffy side to blend that out. Set that with some spray, go onto them lips. I'm gonna use a black lip liner, brown lip liner, and butter gloss in the color Madeline by NYX. I really love this gloss. So I'm gonna take some lashes I got at the beauty spot when I was in Houston. It's some of them mink lashes. Found it for like $1.99 in Houston. I was on vacation. So I'm going to put some glue on there and just use my tweezers, alternate between my tweezers and my fingers to get those set in place. But make sure you put on mascara before you even put your lashes on. Now, when you're having your little photo shoot for class, don't be late and blame it on me. So if you made it this far, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for other tutorials and things on my channel. And thank you. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.